Right, I am going out today. Only reason I'm not gone out yet is because I'm waiting for 2 deliveries, and honestly, I'm not that fucking desperate for a couple of little trinkets. So, it's been pissing down for the past 24 hours, like massive blanket of rain. The sun has come out, but it's meant to piss down again all night. I'm still getting out, I have to. So, I'm going to be taking extras like my polytunnel plastic and my rain jacket. I'm not going to bother with leggings, I'm only going out for one night. So, when you're wearing your bag, if it does start raining, take your waterproof out. Rather than trying to take off your jacket, this is only a really, really thin thing. It's a bike one. It folds up that small, but it's 100% waterproof. So what you do is put it on, inside out, put your head into the hood. And that's it. Like that. Literally all you're doing. No one's going to walk perfectly upright. No one's going to walk leaning back. So you're going to be walking, if you're carrying a Bergen with weight on it, your head's forward, the rain's going to drip off you anyway. And that way, your Bergen's covered, you're covered. Yes, you can carry an umbrella. Yes, you can carry a ton of other crap and waterproofs. I've got a dry suit, but I've also got to carry it. So, yeah. You don't have to take everything off just to put on your waterproof layer. I'm not taking ale. I'm going to take 1.5 litres of water, half of that is drinking and washing. I only need a cupful to wash. And the other half, about 3/4 of a litre, is for cooking my noodles. And of course my little flask of spirits. Also, I'm streamlining a fair bit of stuff. Streamlining? Cutting down on more stuff I'm carrying because my joints and my kneecap is really screaming in pain right now. So I'm not taking a saw. There's so much rotten wood up there, I don't need it. I got my little knife with blade that big on my keys. I don't need a saw. It's a case of, I know where I'm going, I do not need to take a saw with me. I can just break it up with my hands.